My name's Green, Mackley Q. Green, and a man more beset by trouble you'll never see. Again. I'm out here in Lompoc on a movie location. My director started on a bender last night, and that's always good for 10 days. We got a 36-hour schedule and a stinko script. It's a one-reel and a bupkey, and it opens in this very town the day after tomorrow.
Paul, you're yelling right down my alley. The old Senate days. I used to direct Fatty Arbuckle, Charlie Chaplin, Buster Keaton, and the rest of them. I can't get the celluloid out of my blood. Nights I used to tin bar.
If you forget your lines, say anything funny. It's a comic opera. Remember the Queen, respect her. Remember the little girl, like her. Remember Bobo, fear him. Remember the King, hate him. Don't forget your music cues. Don't sing any flat notes, and don't smear your makeup, and keep those laughs running.
Now, you know what you've got to do.
We know it backwards. Say, do we have to do this backwards?
No.
Well, when am I supposed to look down? Do I come in this... Oh.
How are we going to get in pictures? We know nothing about movies.
There's a couple of thousand people in pictures now know nothing about it. 3 more won't make any difference.
Isn't there something strikes you very funny about this picture? Oh, come, it isn't as funny as all that.
Scram, blow.
All right, Bill, turn him over. Speed.
Quiet, everybody.
Action.
We're making motion picture history here. I want quiet. Quiet from everybody.
Put me right now.
Where's all those farmers' daughters I've been hearing about for years?
You leave everything up.
Yeah, she can't take it there.
Oh! Open the door, Mr. Buckle, the blind man! You got that door closed again, huh? Well, we won't be long. Beautiful morning, isn't it?